So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video on DNA, Ginkgo Bioworks. It's been a while since I did a video. Maybe like in August of 2024. The market has done a stock split back around in that time. So we're going to try to update you all as to what we think the market and DNA is about to do. Now, welcome to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. If you like the approach of us looking at these prices of these stocks, this is what we do. We simply try to anticipate where prices are going to go without adding in any confusion. So if you guys appreciate it, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe, and also tap that bell notification for more information. So now, this is a very clean bear chart. We don't have any indicators here. We just simply look at price bars and volume, which in themselves could be considered indicators. It gives us an indication as to what the market is thinking, the overall market, because the market is always biased. You got people who think a stock is going to go up. You got people who think a stock is going to go down. And whichever one is tipped the most is where price has a higher probability of moving towards. So you can see here that DNA currently is in a uptrend. So we need to delineate that. We need to go ahead and draw this and mark the area of us noticing that currently the trend into the market in this stock is up. So the general direction, the overall bias in DNA is up. Okay, now seeing that price is going higher, you would want to come in and purchase this stock right around the overall trend. So seeing the stock trading at $9.75, one can say it might be too expensive. Maybe 14.25% expensive right now, because everyone else sees the same type of information. The problem is how people perceive and interpret that information, right? So when you see this on the daily time frame, the last couple of trading days into the market in DNA, you guys can see how swift price has gone down. So apparently in this area right here, we can say that there's not enough people willing to buy the stock at that price. Because if it was, we wouldn't see this very quick reaction of price coming right back down. There'll be people within this area, this rectangle, trying to hold price. But that didn't happen. It's going to be important for us to know that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create areas that we anticipate there to be a lot of sellers. Okay, that's one area there. And here is another area that we suspect more sellers to be. So when the market in DNA actually finds an area that it bounces from, i.e. buyer's approach, these sell pockets will be a point of a target, meaning if we're looking for price to go up, we'll take profit at these pockets because we're anticipating sellers to come in and hit the stock there. All right, so just like we went ahead and created these sell pockets, we need to do the same for the buy pockets. Okay, so this is the market in DNA on the 330-minute chart. Here it is on the 1 hour. I'm just trying to figure out where would be a good area for us to create these pockets of buying. So I like this area right here. I'm going to turn this into a buy pocket, and we're going to create another one down here. Okay, so as we see price decreasing, these are the pockets that we will want to see the market hold and bounce from, which is currently what you're seeing into the market right now. Yesterday wasn't a good day for DNA. The market was down 5%, right? But even in pre-market, we can see the market bouncing from this area, this buy pocket. Okay, take a look at DNA on the 2. Are you bullish here or are you still bearish? It looks pretty bearish still on the 2. Here's DNA on the 3. Okay, there's a very quick, swift movement to the downside. We haven't found any buyers yet. This market isn't reflecting that buyers are entering right now. As I'm recording this video, this just might be the beginning stages of us seeing that. But it doesn't look bullish on the 3. Here it is on the 4 too. And just the fact that we didn't see continuation of higher prices off of this 4-day bar, prices then has gone straight down, tells me that, yeah, there's a lack of demand here for DNA. Here it is on the 5. So I'm thinking we're going to try to test one of these two areas of buying in the market for DNA. Here it is on the week. Again, no follow through, because the next week price immediately came right back down and closed at the very bottom of that weekly bar. Again, signifying that there's no demand. People think the price of the stock is too expensive. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Take a look at DNA on the 3 and the 5, and so far for the month of July. Okay, if this monthly price bar is any indication of what can go on, we're currently getting that right now, but we still got 15 days. So let me get this back over on the daily. We're going to look for the market in DNA to go lower. Okay. And we're going to target this next buy pocket down here, either at the high, which is at like $8.36, to the low, which is $8.19, is around 12.96% there. And I'm trying to see if we could create another area of a pocket to anticipate higher prices. And I'm thinking it would be somewhere in this vicinity, in this area. It's just hard to distinguish where those buyers are at right there. Okay, so we'll create it right around here. So let's run it down to this point. That'll be an ultimate target right there for DNA. Alright, so I think we're done. Let me go ahead and extend this over a little bit more. And we'll see how low the market goes before those buyers are attracted to the price, and then they'll begin to buy more of this stock. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.